Hi guys, welcome to today's class. Today I will be showing you guys how to blog and the theme that will be the best in blogging, and also how to make blogging a very perfect one and easier for you today. And in this class I will make sure that you will be good in blogging and you will make money from it, because bloggers make not less than $202,500 in a month. They make this amount of money if they have enough traffic in their blog. What I mean by traffic is enough visitors in their blog. So today I will be showing you guys how to blog. Go to your Google, type blogger, or if you are using Chrome, you type blogger.com. If you type blogger on your Google, the first blogger.com you will see, just click on it. It will open up. Fine. You will see create your blog. Click on create your blog. Click on create your blog. Fine. Now you'll be asked to choose the account that you'll be using. But now I will be switching to Google Chrome, because Google Chrome is the best place to make use of this blog. Google. So open in browser. I'll click on open in browser to switch to Google. Here I'll click on this open in browser to switch to. If I switch to Google, allow it to load. Google Chrome, make use of Google. Many of mini open is in browser. I prefer you guys to make Google, make it easier and forget what you want. Choose making use of any of the apps. I'm choosing it, an account. If you have one account in your fine. So this thing directly like this, because I have already to that we opened the time this class. Look for let me look for it. Okay, let's create a new this a new in this new blog. We will be naming it something else. In this blog we will be naming it something else. Name it uh, blog plus blog. You click on, I hope you are seeing it. You click on next. Fine, we are moving. In this address, if only the address that you have your blog, no one else is making it, or no one else have made use of it before. So let me show you as an example. In this one, it have turned to red. Have you seen this red? this red ink on this address, the address is no more showing blue. So that is why they are saying sorry, this blog address is not available. Someone else is making use of this blog address, or someone else have made use of it before and deleted it. So you have to make sure you make use of that blog someone else haven't been used before. Okay, let me add something like Z to it. Okay, have you seen the address now is blue? This plus blogs dot blogspot, look at what I'm talking about, plus blog dot this blogspot.com. This will be the address of your blog. I hope you're getting it now. Fine. It is now blue in color, showing that no one else has made use of this address before. Now kindly click on save. We are good to go. Save. Let's see what's going to happen. Fine. It had opened. I hope you're getting now. It had done what? It had opened. These are the menus on this blog. This is not your blog site. Here we are now. It is called admin panel. What did I say? Admin panel. Don't forget this thing. Your blog admin panel. Many of us was asking me in our last class, what does that admin panel means? It is the place that you edit your blog. You write your post, you see your visitors, you change any other thing, every other thing you want to change, both theme, your settings, everything that you want to change on your blog. Here is where you're going to do it. Any change that happens here occurs on your blog immediately. It doesn't waste any time. Fine. Before you head into typing or doing anything on your blog, make sure you set the theme. As an online business people we are, make sure you set the theme. Make sure the theme is okay. Now we'll be moving to theme before we do any other thing. We will be moving to theme. This is the theme here. Don't look twice. Just this is the theme. I hope you're getting it now. Fine. We will be choosing the best theme for our blog. There are many themes, although there is a default theme there already, but that default theme is being given to you because you are making use of smartphone. I'm doing this thing for those that make use of smartphone. If you also have PC, you can follow up, because I'm doing it also for PC and smartphone standard. So don't think if you don't have smartphone that you cannot blog. That doesn't work. You must blog. As far as you are with a smartphone that is working perfectly, you can blog and it will be perfect. Your PC, you can blog also. I hope you are getting it now. Fine. So in order to choose, here is the default thing already, but this thing you use of it because it is for mobiles. Also, although PCs can view it when they come to your blog, but it will be nice on PC. That's why I don't recommend this thing moving off. So I used to have a thing called material. Calm down. See other. I usually make it material or simple. Simple is another thing that is cool. Either you make use of that material or simple. You can make use of simple. It's also the same as that material, but I like the material the color that is on. Although you can color, but I don't really have time, so I use the one that is already done. This is it. This is okay. Material. That was it. So I like making use of this colors. There's a particular color that I used to choose, which is this blue. I like blue. It's my best color, so I like making use of it. Fine. For us to choose this block, we click on what? Apply. Click on apply. I hope you are getting it now. There's another reason that made me to use this blog. It's not only for PC or mobile issue. This blog is nice when fixing ads in your blog. You know that you need to make money from your blog, and you can't be blogging like that and be there every day. You start to crack brain of what you write, and after you won't make any money. It doesn't make any sense. Now in our economy, we don't have time to be doing things that don't benefit us, especially things that we won't see any dime on it. No, it doesn't help. We don't have time for that. So that's why I like choosing this thing, because it has many places that you will place your ads, so that people visiting your site will be generating money to you. So that is just it. But if you don't want to choose it immediately and you want to customize, you know the meaning of customize now. You have to do it the way that you like yourself, put it the way that you want, change the color. This blue, you want to change it to another color, you can do it. But I don't really have time for that because I have I love. So I had to go for the color. Cancel all this rubbish. I had to go for the color. Now this is the blue that has been chosen. You can change the color. Yeah, you can change it. Did you see where I clicked? Let me come back. Let me not be too fast. This is where I clicked. Okay, so don't be surprised and don't hesitate. This is obviously where I clicked. Just click on it and on my class and choose the color that you needed. Okay, choose the color that you needed. Either you choose the white, the green, yellow, any color. You know, girls like pink. Many of them like pink. You can make use of pink or any color of your choice, but make sure you choose a color that will be attractive for those visiting your blog. On my other blog, I made use of white. White is okay. At least white can give you the thing that you need. Can give you the thing that you need. So let us not waste our time. Just move back. Let's choose this. Let's choose this theme and continue. Just kindly click on apply. This is very simple. Click on apply and we are good to go. It will automatically apply. Note that applying this theme gadgets that are currently marked hidden may become visible. Obviously, this is what we need. We want them to be what? Visible. Have you seen it now? Gadgets that are not there already, which meaning the one that is not in that one, the default thing that I told you guys I don't recommend, is now here. So we need those things. You have to click on got it, because these things we need it. Click on got it. Let's be faster. Okay, I hope you're getting it. Please, if you're not getting this thing right, kindly hit on that comment below. Just drop a question for me there. I'll be there to answer immediately. Or in our class, you can also drop the question in our group there. I will be dropping the group's link there. You can also join and also follow up with the class. Is very simple and faster. So not choosing the blog is only the problem. Fine, this is the place so many of us don't know what to do. After choosing your blog, you just leave it like that. You know that this is a PC team and they have to make it to be mobile friendly, so that those using mobile phones and visiting your blog will be okay while visiting your blog. So what we do is that we click on this arrow here. Remember, this is the theme that you've chosen. So kindly click on this arrow and you are good to go. Just click on it. You will see backup, restore, switch to first generation classic theme, edit HTML. Here is very much important too. Okay, but leave it. This is where we are moving now. Here this ink is mobile settings. Make sure the theme is on mobile settings so that those using smartphone can also access your blog smoothly. Click on that mobile settings and let's move on. Now, okay, maybe it's already on mobile already, because on your but in your own it might be on this desktop. Make sure you change it to this mobile. Okay, fine. After changing it to mobile, it's not like only like that. So click here, you see this arrow, click there to make it to be custom and not default. Switch off and click on this custom here. Fine. I hope you're getting it. I'm just trying to make everything to be like in a sequential manner so that you can obviously understand. Just click on the save. We are good to go. Fine. Let's just view our blog to see whether some of the changes that we've made is occurring. Here is the view blog. The footer of your admin panel. Move there. You see view blog. Just view your blog. Let's see whether the theme applies truly. Let's see. Obviously this is it. Have you seen there is no post? And remember, this name was the name that we used as our blog plus blog. Fine. Thank God you're getting it. I hope you're there now. Fine. So that is just it. This is obviously the blog that we've created, and that's how it's gonna be when people visit it. Fine and good. You can go and experiment it. We don't have time for that. Move to that blog theme. Here that I say it to be on mobile. If you change it to be on that computer, you see how it will be. Just change it there. You can do it and make sure you come back and reset it back to mobile. Then you see that it will be very much tiny for those making use of mobile phones. So if that blog becomes tiny, how do you think it's gonna be? People will not like your blog any longer, because the way that we are viewing things brightly and nice, it's not how others view things. Many of us have issues one after the other, or what we go through. So you have to make things, whether you are okay or not, you can enjoy my blog. So that's what we want. Having visitors in your blog, that's the only way you can generate money. You cannot scam on it. Okay, so you have to do everything that you can do to make sure that visitors always come to your blog. Don't worry, I'll show you guys how you get visitors and things you can do to attract people to your website or a blog. Okay, fine. Here is the settings, but these settings no, I won't be talking about settings today. No, I won't be talking about settings today. Let's move to the post. Posting is very much important. Let's be taking it gradually. Let's move to posts. On posts, anything you type in there is what is going to show on your blog. Let me show you. Have you seen that there is no post because this is a new blog? And for you to create a post, here is it. Click on this plus and we are good to go. Okay, click on it and let's go. You don't have time. Fine. Okay, let's say in our blog we want to talk about lists. Let's say in our title, there must be a title in your blog now. Don't you know? There must be a title. So drop your title there and we are good to go. It might be on capital letter, it might be a small letter, depending on the one you love. But I like making use of capital letters sometimes. But when the topic the title that I want to drop is like have many sentences on it, then I had to make use of small letters so that Google to be attractive while looking at. But to make use of too much capital letters, no, it's not good. Let me say list of, let me use the capital letter. I have to click here twice and let's go. List of Infinix phones. Say Infinix phones. Infinix phones. Just make use of Infinix phones and let's be faster about it. And now you created the title, then you have to move back. Before you type in anything, make sure you check here. Check whether this thing is in a good condition. What I mean is, this thing is a view of both code language view and English language view. So we are making use of compose view because it is the one that's supposed to be there, in which you'll be typing things in and it shows as it's supposed. But if you're making use of HTML view, let me show you. Let's click on it and have you seen it now? Have you seen it? This is a code language view. We don't need this thing. We're not coding. We don't need this thing. So you have to make use of compose view. Fine. fine. So another thing you have to consider is whether your reason is your before you start writing the write-ups is on paragraph. Have you seen it? Now it's on paragraph. But what if you want to drop a heading? Like we have dropped a title there, list of infinite phones. We want to say, let me say hot, or let me say how will I drop it now? Okay, let me say infinite phones. Infinite phones as the heading. Just kindly go to there. It's being written paragraph. The here is not paragraph, is not the name, but paragraph is one that's been selected already. So we had to change it and put the heading of the one that we want to make use of. Have you seen it? Heading. Just kindly click on this heading and we are good to go. Let me show you guys how it's gonna be now. Let me say infinite phones. Have you seen the font? Have you seen how large it is? This shows what it's a what? It's a heading. Kindly highlight it and can change this to be capital letters only, and we're good to go. Fine. Now you can make it to be bold. I'm moving this thing to the left hand side like this, and it is bold already. Yeah, I can see it's bold already. Fine, it's bold already. So that is just it. And I'm using it now. If you click here, like you want to make another paragraph, and you click here to make another paragraph. Have you seen how far it have given from there? Fine. And you start writing. Make another one. Okay, let's write something that is meaningful now. Let's write something that's meaningful. Infinite phones. You know that you need to. What the hell is going on? Oh, this thing have deleted everything. Oh, don't worry, we will type it back. Let me change it back to heading. Fine, let me type it back. I long press there. Much finish phones. I had to highlight it. Come on, put it back to its heading, and there's one thing I could have done to make it to be easier for me to get back to what I've written already. I hope you're getting it now. I could have done that to get back to what I've written already, but here, I can click here to here. I can click here to get back to what I've written already. Click it again. See what's going on. Okay, it's back. Fine. So let's type in the first one. When you're listing, you say list, so you have to make it to be on list. How can you do that? Now come over this side, be scrolling continuously, be scrolling. Now look at this. Some of us that have made use of computers before, this thing will be very much easier for us to understand. You want to list by 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is it. And you want to list by point, this is it. Let me show you what I mean now. Let's start with 1 2 3 4 5 6. Click on it. Whoa, have you seen it now? You will say hot. Let's say Infinix Hot 8. If you don't know the phone as Infinix, sorry, I'm in Nigeria, so but you're supposed to know the phone has been called Infinix. Have you seen it? We change to the next paragraph and number 2 have come out. Let's make use of Infinix Smart 5. Let's say Smart 5. Come on, get that from here. Smart 5. I want to move to number 3. You don't need to type 3 and put point. Just click on this blue button here. You move to number 3. Now you can write Infinix. Let's say Infinix 0x Pro. Anyone that I mentioned there, just take it like that. Okay, fine. I want to move to number 4. Infinix let's make use of Hot 9 play. All right, here are the lists now. Okay, fine. So this is by 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you want to change it back to point. You don't need to be, you don't want it to be on 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just click on this point. We're good to go. Have you seen it now? We have clicked on this one. Come on, this highlights should get out from there. We have clicked on this one. No, that one, not that one. Here, this is it. So it have occurred. Let's go back. We're not done with all those keys. Remember, we said we're moving to them one after the other. Fine and good. Here is where you will be changing your font. You know what is font now? I don't need to tell you about fonts. You know what font already. The way that you want your write-ups to be, to look like, you know. So I want all these Infinix phones to get into another font that I needed. Let's make use of Georgia. Let's make use of Georgia. Or which further font can we make use of? Let's make use of. Okay, let's make use of this one that's unique. Let's make use of this one that's unique. This one, Kauria. I know one doesn't want to call it. Let's make use of it. Fine. Time and click. Okay. Have you seen now? The fonts have changed. Fine, thank you. I hope you're getting it now. If you're not getting it, kindly click. Just drop your question. I'm always there for you to answer. Don't panic. Any other place, if you think that even if it's very much far from where we are, just drop your question. I will get it for you. Okay, and we have talked about this already. Here is how you want it to be. The size. Remember, this one is font. The A here is font, and the next one is the sizes. Okay, this is small already. For us to make it to be large, we have made use of it already. So let's just move to the next thing. Don't need to waste our time. Remember all these keys. They are very much important in your blogging. They makes your blogging to be, what I mean by, to be awesome. Good at looking at. When people visit your blog, to be like, wow, this guy know what's going on. Make your blog to be okay, smart. If you make visitors to continue visiting your blog. Okay, let's make this thing to be in an italic font. Remember on that font that I showed you guys, italic used to be different. Used to be specific. So we want to change it to be italic. Here is it. You are seeing it already. It's slant already. So click on that italic and we're good to go. Fine. You don't have time. And you want a particular word, you want to underline it. This word, this sentence, this word, this comment, I want to underline it so that to be specific, so that people will be like, okay, there's particular information this underlined word is talking about. Okay, you have to do it. Let's do it on this last Infinix Hot 9 Play. Let's underline it so that will be like it is the phone that we like, or let's underline this Infinix Hot 9 Play. Kindly click on this U that have underline below. Click on it. Boom. Have you seen it? You don't need to be wasting your time looking for something else to do. You are good to go. When you have done that, we are good to go, man. And you have written a word and you want to be like, let me show you as an example now. You've written, you can cancel this thing by clicking this again. It's now paragraph. You want to be like, let me say I wrote $3 here, and this is the main price, and let's move small and write another. Let me make use of $10, and we say the $10 is the main price and $3 is the discount. That there must be a dash on top of this $10 in order to show that you're no more selling it at that price, that you're doing bonus for $3. This is where you will click to run the dash on top of this $10. Now look carefully here. Have you seen it now? Here. That's it. Just click there. That's it. It's gone. It's no more. I'm not selling this thing $10 any longer. No. I'm on the bonus. But if you continue pushing this thing, have you seen what's going on? We don't need this. So Actually, you don't need this. You don't need this. So this is what it's gonna do. Just push it and paragraph, and you're gone. Just get out from the paragraph. If you continue writing, it will be underlining, but you don't need it again. You have done the work already. Just kindly go back there and tell this stuff to close your eyes. Don't open it any longer. I hope you're getting it. Just close your eyes. Okay, okay, okay. So anything that you're typing now is boom, 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 boom. Nothing is going on. It's not gonna underline it any longer. Fine. You wrote a word. Signal. Techno is another phone. Signal phones. And be like, I don't want to make use of black. I don't need black. This is specific. This make use of another color. I don't need black write-ups. Remember, I told you my blue is my best color. I had to make your blue. That's just it. I've turned to blue. Okay. Okay. So any other color, you can make use of any other color, and we are good to go. Okay. You're good to go. You're good to go. I want to cancel it. I've used the one that I needed. Just highlight the one that I've written already and go back there and drop it to be black again. Black is the normal color that you must make use of. So that is just it. Fine. And remember, have you been reading blog and someone be like, if you want to get this, click here, and that place the person who wrote here will not be the same color with that black. It will change to another color. Instead of to be black, the person that have been using to be writing the blog, it will change to another color. Which means if you click on that here and that here will take you there. I hope you're getting what I mean by that here will take you there. The here that he told you, or the blogger told you to click on, will take you directly to the place or the let me say the site the person wants you to move. Let me show you the secret now. Let me reveal it. Fine. You want to say, remember, let's say you have written a particular price and discount, $3 is the discount and $10 is the main price. And you want to say buy now, and this buy now, you am not selling anything on my blog, and I need to direct people to my my online store. How can I do this thing? Oh God, I cannot drop any link here to be bad on, But you want to sell, you want to make sales. Don't worry, I'll show you that now. Just type the buy now, and it's always in capital letter. Yes, if you want to drop buy now, it's always in capital letter. Then highlight it. If you want to highlight it first, you can do it. But you can also click where I'm going to show you that we're going to click now before typing anything. But I like typing before I click on it. Here, we are moving here. Focus now. Focus. Leave whatever you're doing. Just focus. Here. Here is it. Here is it. Whoa. Here is that. That's a link sign. If you click on it, boom. It will be like, hello, text to display. This is the buy now. This is the text we have be displayed, but it doesn't mean that it's that text that is been there. There's something below it. There's something behind. Let me use behind. There's something behind it. Let me show you that thing that's been behind it now. Paste or search for a link. Drop the link that you need. Let me use Jumia, or let me use Amazon. Let me make use of Amazon. Amazon.com. Okay, I can now say apply. Now let's see the changes now. Boom. Have you seen it now? It's in what? In blue color. But you will say that is because Tecno is in blue color. No. Let me show you. It's not why. You can change it the way you like. Let me show you. Just highlight it, move to this color, and tell that word that you can change it to green. Let's make use of red. Fine and good, and that's the link we are making use of. Let me get to you. I left it back, go back here and type. Maybe this thing is out. Okay, let me write the jumia.com. Amazon. No, so many of us don't know Jumia, so no, many of us can know Jumia now. Let me use Amazon. Amazon is unique. Come on. Okay, next link. Oh, this remains to be my master color, the blue. Okay, let's move on. And remember the keys, you have been setting in one after the other what they works. All of them have functions. So that's why blogging is not really easy. You have to calm down, settle out. Even if it's possible for you to write it out in a paper first before blogging it, it's very much awesome. When I started, I used to, before I blog, I will write it out in a paper. After writing it out in a paper, I will like reading it again. On blogging, you don't have to be talking as if that you're giving commands, or talk normally on blogging. The way that starts a comment, anything that you're doing, drop it there. Like if you want to blog, hello guys, today you're talking about, oh no. To be like they are teaching them. I hope you're getting it now. To be like you're teaching them. But or you're lecturing or you're having class with them. But if on blogging that you say, have you been able, I hope you're getting it now. Have you been able to find out the best phones to to get access to purchase or something like that? Ask them questions that will attract their attention. If that question attracts their attention, to be like, wow, this guy know what's going on. Then you cannot drop your contents, contents of what you're going to see. Fine, and drop those contents when you're done with typing your blogs. Then you can now go up and drop your content, so that anyone that clicks the one person needs to tell the person straight to the place that you wrote about the particular content. I hope you're getting it now. So you have to make the beginning of your blog to be sweet. The more the person spends time on your website, the more you make money. That's it. Fine. You want to add an image to your blog. What's up? How can we do that? Very simple. Let's move here. Oh, there's no way. I'm gonna click here. Fine. Last time in our last class, someone was asking me, this place said upload from computer, photos, blogger, by URL. Remember this URL is anything that concerns link. You don't need those things. Photos, blogger, no. Upload from computer. It will take you straight to your gallery or your photos. Take it there and you can take the one that you need. Just click on that upload on from computer. It doesn't mean that you're making use of computer, okay? Even if you're making use of smartphone, it will take you there. Hope you're getting it now. Now click choose files. Okay, choose files. Don't forget anything you are teaching here, and I hope you are getting what you're teaching now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Don't forget. Let me choose a picture. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button below. Fine, everything our gallery now is out. You'll be like, you'll be wondering why all these things are here. Don't panic, okay? I have an online store that I'm running, so these are some of the products that I sell there. So don't just be wondering why you're seeing all these things on my gallery. I'm an affiliate marketer, so I sell all these products. So just make use of any phone that you see there. Let's click on this one that is here. Let's make use of this one. Let's make use of that one. Boom. To be like, okay, wait, let it load. Fine. Click on select. The phone is ready to go. Have you seen it? And there's one thing you have to bear in mind. Have you seen where it placed itself? You don't want it to be here. You want it by the left. Just kindly. Have you seen this thing here? Just kindly come here. Or you want it by the right? Come here and click. But here is in the middle already, so it continues to be highlighted there as it's in the middle. Let's want it to be at the left. Fine. Be there. You don't want it to be at any other place. And fine and good. Now move to the other of the image and type, like, let's say Phoenix. Phoenix. This is supposed to be Phoenix Hot 10. Okay, fine. We have typed the name of the phone and we are good to go. And you have a video about a particular product. On blog sometimes you see videos below to make sure you understand the thing the writer or the blogger is talking about. Just click here. I know you didn't see where I clicked. Let me show you. Here was where I clicked. Here, I've seen it now. Oh, my battery is slowing down. Let's be faster. Let's run this up. Okay, you click on upload from computer. Remember, anything upload from computer takes you straight to your phone's gallery, but upload from YouTube, it will take you straight to your YouTube. And if you have a YouTube channel, you can collect the link of that video and upload it here. Okay, fine and good. And we're moving. Remember, on this blogging, this continues to be doing what? Trying to control you. So make sure this thing doesn't control you, because of contents are much. So you need to learn how to control your blogs. That will make you to click what you don't want. This is this now. This is sticker. So you need to choose any sticker that you want to make use of on your blog. Just choose any of them. Let me make use of love. You need to love people. Come on. No, you don't need this. Go back. Or let's leave this sticker. I'm not ready for that, but you can make use of any sticker. This one I've chosen is okay for me. Have you seen it now? I've chosen a particular sticker, so that is just it. Have you seen this too now? Fine. Let's continue. And you know all about these things now. I've told you about this. So if you want to make your write-ups to be at the center, you click on this center. Left, you click here. Right here, justify is on the middle. Don't forget that. Justify on computer is not really on the middle, but it makes all the all the write-ups to be in straight line and okay. Fine and good. Remember that these things will continue controlling your words, your cursor. What I mean by cursor is this thing now that is typing. Then let me show you this thing that is typing. This thing now that is blinking here is your cursor. Okay, let's continue. We have talked about these points and 1, 2, 3. What about this? Let me show you what this works. Okay, so here is another sign of its own. Let me show you what it works. All these signs are not really needed on this blogging. I don't really make use of them because I don't really make use of those signs. So you take the required ones, the ones that be needed, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's the whole signs that will be needed on typing. These are, we have talked about the ones that are very much important to be used. Ones that are very much important to be used. This is the word. This word is just talking about any language that you want to make use of while blogging. You can make use of the language. Okay. This is where I clicked. Fine, exactly. Yeah, it's there already. Okay. That's where I clicked. So if you choose any language you want to use to blog, like some of you are in South Africa, Kenya, Cameroon, Nigeria, USA, any country that you want to make use of this language, you're good to go. Fine. So you have finished blogging, and this doesn't mean that this thing you have, as you have finished blogging, it will just appear in your blog. No, it won't. Kindly click here. Just save it first. But after save it doesn't mean that it have showed in your blog. Just save it, because it might something might happen, or phone might have gone off. It will just show off. I hope you're getting it now. Just kindly save your blog. If I were you, while blogging, the little thing you type, just save it, then you continue. If you save it, you continue. Okay, if you save it, you continue. Something might happen to your phone or your PC. All that you have written will just show off. No, it's not cool. Just save your blog. If you save your blog, then if you're done with everything that you want to do and everything that you want to type in, information, solutions, anything that you're doing there, and you are done with it, and you'll be like, now let me post this, and this is here you're going to post it. This is where you're going to post it. Just click on this arrow that looks like a folded paper, and you have made your first blog. Okay, this will publish your post. Yeah, if you want it to be published, just click on confirm and you are good to go. You are good to go. You have made your first blog. You have made your first blog. And now look at it. If anyone that visits your sites, just look at it particularly. If there's a message on this particular blog, on this particular page here, there will be 1. There is no message, that's why it's 0. If there is a message, you turn to 1. If someone have seen your blog or look at your blog, it will turn to 1 also. I hope you're getting it now. Let's go and check this post that we made. Go to anything you do, go to your view blog and check your blog, see what's going on. Have you seen it now? We have made our first post. I hope you're getting now. We have made our first post. Fine and good. So blogging is very much easy for us to do. You'll be like, what's going on? Where is the post? Just kindly click here. Although this is not how it's going to be to people that will be visiting your blog, this is how it's going to be if people visit your blog. Let me show you. Just click on the post that you made and you're good to go. Whoa, have you seen how neat, the blue color shines while looking at it? I've made your first blog and list of finished phones, and fine, you're good to go. Have you seen everything that we typed in there? Even our stickers, it's visible. Now if someone visit your blog and be like, I want to drop a comment, the person will just click on post a comment, and the person will just drop the comment and do what, and drop it for you, publish it for you, and you visiting your blog admin panel, you will see someone had commented, you had to reply and give the person the solution to the problem. Stats. Last time we talked about stats. What does that mean? Remember, this sign is just talking about people that have visited your blog. It's just talking about people that had visited your blog. Have you seen this thing have turned to 1? Remember that I just visited this blog right now. That's why it turned to 1. All these things have turned to what? 1. All time 1. Today 1. Yesterday, have you seen 0? Because no one had visited this blog yesterday. This blog was created today. Then this month, you click on what? 1. And last month, no one had done that because this blog is new. So this is where you'll be showing it off. Then posts. This is how many posts that you have made. Just here. So I have posts here. It's only 1 that we've made. So that's where you should checking it. One of comments, you want to see people that have commented below your blog. Be like, hello sir, hello boss. As a blogger you always answer boss. You always answer sir, chairman, anything. The person will always be calling you that, so that the person will get the solution of what he's looking for. So that's just it. Just click on comments and you're good to go. You see comments, just stay on your admin panel. You don't need to stress yourself going to your blog and replying there. Just stay here and reply the comments. You're good to go. I hope you're getting it now. Or you can go to your admin blog and reply it. I don't want that to like. Earnings. Here is gonna be I'm not going to touch here at all. I'm not going to touch it at all. So this is gonna be one of the last things that we're going to study: how you make money from your blog. The pages. Pages are the let me which one? You know what's pages now? Fine. If you make a post now and write about the post, it's almost like the post, and make another one, it will be staying like pages one after the other, untitled. You haven't written anything on it. So layout. What of the layout? Have you wondered what layout is all about? Fine. Layout is just talking about your sidebar. Maybe my sidebar. And the person click on your sidebar, if you scroll off home, blog, or so many other things. Your sidebar, your footer, the body of your blog, and so many other things. If you click on this add a gadget, this is we'll be talking about all these things when it's time. Let's just move along with something that we need to do this today. Layouts, mark this. Layouts and earnings are one of the last things that you're going to study when it's time. Are very much important in blogging. Okay, team, you have touched team now, so you don't need to go back to there again. Team, here you have touched it. Have you commented here? Have you subscribed to this channel? Please do that. Subscribe to this channel. Not everyone will do this thing or take you step by step like this for free. It's not really easy. So just comment. There is a button there. Just click on that bell button there, because you will be dropping more classes here about so many topics, so many things. Just subscribe to the channel. Just subscribe to it. It's very much simple. Just click there, subscribe is all. And also on the bell button, just click on the bell button. We're good to go. Okay, doesn't waste any of our time. Then in settings, here is the settings. Click on the settings, and how is it? Wow, how will this feel? Taking you one after the other, how to blog, everything about it. It's not really easy. Okay, I want you guys to be an expert on blogging. Title: this is the name that's been given to our blog. Remember, we saw Plus Blog when we visited this blog last time. Plus Blog description. What are you doing on your blog? Just, you don't need much descriptions, just little. If you are talking about technologies, there are niches that's been given. Let me talk about niches now. What have been my niches? Every one of us have whatever we are doing. Some of us are teachers, some of us are students, some of us have one handwork or the other. Some of us also work online like this. Some of us are affiliate marketers and some other things with us. There must be, in the whole world, there must be a particular thing that you like most. Maybe you are very intelligent and you like a particular subject, and that subject you are good at it. Carry on with that subject. Carry on with, if it is biology, if it is chemistry, if it is English or mathematics, head on to your blog, continue talking about that particular subject. If a topic comes out, you remember a topic, talk about it. There will be people that want to get the solution. That in school, universities, several assignments are being given. We get assignments, so we always search on our Google to get it. Remember, I told you, for Google to answer your question, there is existence of what? Bloggers. If there is no existence of bloggers, Google can never answer any of your questions you ask Google. Remember, people always say Google is very intelligent. No one knows something more than Google. Google answers everything. If there is no presence of bloggers, Google will never answer any of your questions, because bloggers are not there to drop the solution to your question. I hope you are getting it now. On description, okay, let me be done on that niche. On your niche, you can choose any of the subjects. An affiliate marketer, you know what niche means. You might be depend on electronics. Maybe you depends on digital things like books or ebooks, uh, whatever things I used to call it, depends on them. And any other thing as an affiliate marketer, like me personally, I depends on everything concerning technology. My blog, I blog everything concerning technology. If there's a smartphone, yeah, I'll talk about this particular smartphone that's out. If there is a particular home appliance, I'll talk about it. If there is a particular something, let me say your kitchen utensil, you know that it's about a gadget. I'll talk about everything concerning gadgets and technology. But anything concerning fashions and every other thing, I don't have time for those things because I've chosen the particular niche that I needed. I hope you're getting it. But that doesn't mean that gadget and technology is a niche. I choose it because I know that I can hold on it. I can cover it up. But you, as a beginner, I will assure you, if you're choosing a particular electronic, if it is smartphones are niches. So it are niche. It is niche, so you can choose it as your particular niche, and you'll be very nice on it. Remember your blog. If you are blogging about a particular something, like if you are good in coding and you're talking about codes on how to apply it and how to do it on your smartphones and you're good on it, just depend there. Don't change your topic. Depend everything about coding. If you're talking about smartphones on your blog, depend everything about smartphones. Talking about home appliances, depend on everything about home appliances. Kitchen utensils, depend everything about kitchen. What about biology on this subject? Depend everything about that subject. That makes people to be feel like, yes, this particular this thing is talking to them. You'll be like, how will I? Does it mean that I'll be talking about anything? Why I know more, up to three things? Okay, you can create up to any blog, an amount of blog that you want to get. Create, but make sure you have in any blog you talk about a particular niche. Okay, fine. So I assure you, you will be like, but I don't know how to start. Why will I copyright? So many of us were asking me, how am I going to copy out what to write on my blog? Am I going to photocopy? Am I going to? No. It's not advisable. Come on, calm down. Think about what's going to do. Something that you're good on, do you know you can do it? You can do it. But what if you are doing on electronics? Like electronics. You know that Amazon sells electronics. You know that Jumia sells electronics. You know that Alibaba sells electronics. And so many other companies. Become an affiliate marketer on those companies. Choose any of them, drop your site for them, and become an affiliate marketer there. Then from there, you could be choosing any particular dropout in electronic that's out. Go to the description and take quotes of words that you needed on your blogging and go on with that. If you want to copy and paste, there's no problem, but you don't need to copy what verbatim. What I mean by verbatim is exactly that's been there straight to your blog. No, it's not good. Make sure you write it out as yourself, like as if you are the one that writes it out. Okay, so make your blog to be nice. So visitors will always be visiting your blog. Remember, the more visitors visit your blog, the more you make money. Don't worry, I will show you how you make money the more visitors visit your blog. Let's be moving. Description. I've talked about description. You drop a little description about your blog and drop word save. Okay. Language, you always make use of English. Don't change that language unless you're in a country that is very much difficult to see someone speaking English on it. But always make use of English. English is a central language. Everyone knows that language. I hope you're getting that now. Fine and good. Show warning to your blog readers. You don't need to show that unless you are talking like no blog depends on the niche you choose. If the niche you choose needs warning to your readers, okay, you activate it. I hope you're getting it now. But if you don't need it, just kindly drop it off. That you don't need it. Require age confirmation. You don't need to require any age confirmation unless you are talking about a very bad something on your blog. I won't expect you to do that. Google Analytics ID. I will show you guys how to add your Google Analytics ID on your blog. This Google Analytics ID is just talking about Google okay, let me not use the same word. What I mean by Google analysis is just like, let me explain it, it's just like a graph that will be showing you when someone visits your blog. Have you been making use of an online store? Okay, many of us don't have online store like I do, but me that have an online store, I know how it is. But I will very soon, I will make sure my store is out. Many people will be hearing about my store, so that you also buy from me. But obviously I don't make sales myself, I'm just an affiliate marketer. Okay, let's leave that one behind. The Google Analytics is something like graph, like if someone visits your blog, the time the person visits, the day, and everything shows on there. It is Google that will be controlling that for you, and you will be the one that will be checking it out, not Google will check it out for you. Okay, so you will get the code from Google Analytics and add it here, and Google will confirm it, and you have connected your blog to Google. One of the privacy to search engines, you know that you want someone to visit your blog, you need to activate this. So if someone types your blog on Chrome or anywhere, your blog exists immediately, so leave it on, don't off it. Your blog address remains the same unless you want to change it. Custom domain, what I'm talking about custom domain is if you have a particular domain, like I had now, I have plus.com.ng, that's my domain. Okay, I have a particular domain. If you click on that domain, it will take you to my online store. Although I won't advise you to do that now, I haven't set my online store as it's supposed to be now, so we don't visit it now. I won't advise you to visit that plus.com.ng. Don't do that. Okay, I'm not done with my store. You won't like it if you visit it. Okay, fine. If you add up your domain, if you have bought and be hosted by another company or another site, add up your blog and drop save. There will be a code that will be dropped there to tell you to add it on your name server or on your DNS. These people that have domains will understand what is DNS and name servers. Okay, you add it up, the code, Google will detect it and find your blog and then allow it to be here. So it will make, if someone wants to search, the person will no more search plus blog.blogspot.com. Now it will now be the name of your blog. You activate it, you say redirect domain, you activate this here, it will now turn to like this here, it will not turn to this one. This one is activated already, fine. But if activate this one here, like here, it's now turned to this green color, now showing that your blog is not the one, the domain is not the one that will be searched, and your blog will exist. Fine and good. Blog admins, authors, some of the blog that is being done, many of us that have been an expert of blog, some the blogs are not controlled by only one person, especially blogs that are very much rich, that talk about very very much, blog that has been nice. If you look at the blog, you'll be like, whoa, I wish I'm the owner. Some of them are not controlled only by one person. Okay, fine. You can add up someone else here and you can continue. Invite more authors, that's what I mean. It's from here. Then you can invite someone by putting the email of the somebody, and the person becomes your employee. You move on. You can employ someone in your blog, and the person now will become the person that will be writing in your blog. Any money that comes out there you can pay the person, and you're good to go. It's a business. I hope you're getting it now. So blogging is not for kids, for those that are very much intelligent. Okay. So another settings, we'll be talking about this in our next class. The other settings, there are many. There are some things that I will show you need to add up to your blogs, and where you add, some of us might have created blog before, but you don't know how to monetize it and make money from it. So I will be teaching you guys, don't worry. Or some of us have seen how to monetize it, but you don't know where to add this out. Your blog will be making out money for you. Okay, I will show you those things when it's time. So that's why I told you to click on this subscribe button. I will always be saying this. Just drop. It's not difficult. It's not difficult. Just click that subscribe button. Click on it and turn that bell on. So next time we drop another class, you will follow up. Okay? Let's make money from blogging. It's very much need to do. Okay? So today we will be stopping our class today. So So the little you have done today, you can start blogging. But although you haven't monetized it, but you know that some of this monetization, you need to be good at blogging before some of these companies choose you. Like Google, before Google choose you, monetize your blog must have a lot of visitors and so many other things. But I will show you guys other companies that even if you don't have much visitors or you don't have any visitor on your blog, they will choose you and you start making money from those companies. I have up to 5 to 6 companies that I will show you that you use to monetize your blog. Just continue following up our class. I will show you guys all. Okay? Thank you very much. This is the owner of the company, Plus Company, and we're just giving out this class for free for people to enjoy. Don't forget, the only thing you can do to help me or to appreciate, not to help me, to appreciate, just click on that subscribe button. And whenever I'm done with my site, don't forget I will share the sites. I will share the site with you guys. Okay. I will share the site with you guys, and when I'm done with the app, all those things, I will make sure I will share it to you guys, and you guys will also download it in order to show appreciation to me. Okay, that is just it. So we have made a little blog and you're good to go. You can start typing some certain things, but don't forget to ask questions. I'm always there for you to answer it. Don't forget. So click on that subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, and we're good to go. So in our next class, we will be talking about settings. We will be going more deeper on settings. Settings have so many things. So we're moving into that settings and we'll be touching more things on that settings. Before we say that our class will last 2 weeks, we almost cover up the minor things there. I don't think the class will be lasting up to 2 weeks because I had so many other things that I'm doing, so I had to round it up faster. But some of the things that you don't understand, then you can ask me. I have so many words that I do, like I told you guys, create websites, create apps, and some other things. So all those things doesn't give me time to relax and do so many things. So I'm a blogger too, so I'm an affiliate marketer too. I have so many things that I'm doing. So I don't want something that will take the much of my time. So that's why I need to fasten up this class and for everyone to benefit from it. Become a blogger today and make money. So that's just it. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to that channel. Seriously, subscribe, please subscribe. Although this channel is not really meant for class something, but this is a company channel, but I'm just doing this thing to empower some people. Very soon this site will be set, this YouTube channel will be set as supposed. It's not really for class. Okay, we are good to go. Thank you very much for joining our class today. Goodbye. Let me see my friends on WhatsApp.